we're on site. We've got the olive here. It's a very, very large olive. It was so big that we couldn't get it down the country road, so we put it on our trailer. We've just taken it off on the telehandler, and we're going to be taking it into the customer's garden now, ready for planting.
Here we are today, guys, put the big boy in the ground. So we just choose the location with the customers. He's happy with it. We just make sure dig enough big hole to add grit and micro isol in it. Ciao a tutti e vi faremo vedere il risultato finale alla fine. Grazie. E voilà, ecco fatto, the olive is in the ground, so we just put some micro isol and some grit under. As you know, it's a Mediterranean plant, so you need to sit a bit higher in the ground, so I help with the drainage. As you can see, it's a lovely bark. The customer tries a nice side, so you can see a lovely flower on them, so you're gonna produce nice olives if you get hot enough in this country. But yeah, here you go, that's all I've done for us today, and we will see you on the next job.